How you going, guys? Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install Victorian standard deluxe plates on a Mercedes C-Class. Okay, so we'll be using our standard plate bracket to mount up the plates. In the box you'll get a set of instructions, as well as the Allen keys you need for the install. You also get a fitting kit set. Now there's plenty of screws in here to suit various cars, and there'll be one in here that we'll need for the Mercedes. Let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, the first thing you need is the bracket and work out which holes to use. So Mercedes Benz has a unique 4-bolt pattern, which is already made into our bracket, which is those 4 there. You also need to find the correct hardware. In this case, it's going to be option 3, which is the Mercedes connector bolts, which we have here. So we'll go ahead and put those on. Alrighty, now that we have the bracket on the car, what we need to do is choose out the correct hardware for the plate. So for the polycarbonate plates, we use option 1, which is the dress bolts, these ones here. These just ensure that you don't crack your plates, so it's important that you choose these ones out. So let's get these on the car. And there you have it, standard plates installed in Mercedes Benz. Now this plate is a standard size in terms of like a standard number plate. They're suitable for quite a few states across Australia, so check our website for details, and I hope this video was useful. See you in the next one.